In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a link that you got from a range in your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So let's say you are collaborating with someone and you want to highlight something in your spreadsheet that you want to share to that collaborator or coworker. What you can do is to select that range. There you go. After you selected that range, we are going to right-click within the selected range and select View More Cell Actions at the bottom. You'll see that we have all of these options, and one of them would be Get Link to this range. If I click on that, it will say Link Copied to the Clipboard. So all you have to do now is paste that link in any messenger, email, or whatever way you communicate with your collaborators. And once they open that link, this is what they're going to see. Paste in that link, press enter, and there you have it. Once they open that link, you will see right away that the one that is highlighted is the range that you have shared. So this is what it's going to look like. Even though they can see the whole entire data, you will see that the range that you wanted to share is highlighted. Let's try that again with another data. Let's try this example data right here. Again, let's say I want to just have this one highlighted. I'm going to select that range. Again, right-click on it. Go to the bottom of your options. Select View More Cell Actions and go to Get Link to this range. If I click on that, the link again has been copied to my clipboard, and all I have to do is to paste it so I can share it to that collaborator or coworker. Once they open the link that I've sent them, this is what it's going to look like. So let's open a browser, paste in that link, press enter, let it load. And there you have it. So again, you can see the entire data, but the range that you have selected is also highlighted, which makes it helpful if especially you're trying to point out something in the data that they have to pay attention to. And there you have it. That's how easy you can share a link to a range from your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.